Gather round, children, for there is a story I must share with you. A tale that tells us about our ancestors and the world they once dwelt in as they lived out their lives, among both family and adversaries. As the legend unfolds, you'll see something occur that not only affected the past, but is carried on to the present day. Long before we were born, the wilderness was pristine and flourishing, and the only things that ever touched the land were Mother Nature's natural creatures. Back then, there were countless species of animals that used to thrive in this terrain. Things could not have been happier for the creatures of this domain. But believe me when I say this, even the smallest of events can change everything. It was around 100 years ago when the troubles began to arise for our community. Over time, our wilderness culture has been threatened by our human neighbors as they have increasingly encroached on our land and homes. Many species of animals have either decreased in numbers, become endangered, or are now permanently extinct due to human activity. However, there is still hope. There are some humans that are willing to facilitate our needs of survival. Perhaps someday, their efforts may save us, and we can live peacefully once more. We cannot survive without each other. What will they do when Mother Nature ceases to exist?